Hey everyone, and welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. Today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Camry SE in the super white exterior color. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and puts out 203 horsepower. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger car with a 60-liter tank that delivers fuel economy ratings of 8.5 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 33 miles per gallon in the city and 46 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's have a look inside. Alright, here we are on the driver's side. We've got soft-text leather sport seats. Both driver and passenger seats are heated. We have 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support and 6-way manual adjustment passenger seat. Power windows and locks on the door panels with door pockets on both sides. The steering wheel is heated and leather wrapped with Bluetooth and audio controls and Safety Sense 2.0 controls, including the pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control and automatic high beams, and tire pressure monitor system. Moving over to the 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also where the backup camera is displayed. Down to the automatic climate control center. Underneath the dash you'll find the USB input and power outlet and a retractable storage cubby. Leather wrap shift knob, cup holders, the heated seat controls, and the center storage compartment with a charger and USB outlet. Alright, let's jump back outside. So the 2021 Toyota Camry SE has LED combination headlight and tail lights, both with black accents, daytime running lights, heated exterior mirrors, 17-inch alloy wheels with front and rear splash guards, rear spoiler, a lift gate, plenty of cargo space, and seasonal floor mats, and I believe this is our cargo net in here. Back here, the soft-text leather sport seats continue. 60/40 split folding seats, center console with cup holders, and the car seat latch hook option here. Small cubby. And power windows and door pockets. Okay, so that was a 2021 Toyota Camry SE with front-wheel drive with the super white exterior color. Give us a call down here at 613-342-9111 to set up an appointment with one of our product advisors and check it out for yourself.